Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo.
Pick up.
3 a.m. I'm in the hotel. Bitch, I'm missing you in that throat, yeah. I'm in the pussy, she like, oh yeah.
I wanna see you right now, where you at? I wanna beat it right now from the back. And now he's coming home. He's mine, I mean I had him once, but I got him all the time. You can't sleep at night, he's mine. My generation going downhill, it's wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm
Damn bad way old titties. Them shits already bitty. No. Bitch, what the fuck you looking at? Nigga think he pulling up. Watch me push him back. See, no, I'm a big.
Can we stay home tonight? Try something new tonight. This drink got me feeling right. I'm about to lose my mind. You, me, and Hennessy, look what you did to me. Fucking so crazy.
I'm the only provider. Little back foreign bitch worth of 5, yo. Niggas know the vibe, that's worth the 5, yo. Beef, we about to resolve, yo. Pull up on the up, do we have a problem? Hold up, shorty, hold up, bitch. Please don't touch me. Look at my fit, look at my ankle, look at my wrist. This one a pack, this one a brick, that one a op, that one a lick. This one for pop, this one for juice. I am the one, bitch, you a deuce. Brr. Niggas get
Left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word.
If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling?